Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Urbanista Stockholm Plus Earbuds to Android smartphone. So first let's scroll down our Bluetooth and make sure that it's on. Then we can open the lid with the earbuds, take both of them out. Now you can see that the right one is flashing this blue LED, and that means it should be available in our device list. Click on them, pair, and now the headphones should give us the command that they are connected to this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.